Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Please like this video because I want to make sure that this information gets out. This is very vital to the job that I do and for information purposes so you know what could potentially be sweeping across the United States if they get people, if they start making people do this, it's going to make it very hard for people to want to appeal any third party judgments uh, that are placed against them in the courts. Uh, just notified from a potential customer. Did he did not show up for third party debt collection? Lost. I'm sorry. He did show up. Submitted a response to the court action, but it was not a defense. It was just denying everything. And I keep telling everyone, don't just deny, deny, deny. You have to actually put up an affirmative defense. Saw one of my YouTube videos, decided to see if he could fight in court. And this is actually what they sent back. They said in this jurisdiction in Texas that you'd have to put up a surety bond that would actually pay the debt collector double the amount of the amount that he already has for the judgment if he was to lose. This is like making it to where an individual won't fight. If this is going to be the standard, uh, I don't know, you know, all of the information about this, but I've never had to have anyone put up a surety bond saying that they will pay double if they end up losing on appeal. This is very disturbing to me. I've seen this with corporations. I've never seen it with individuals. Um, Please post your comments on what you think about this. Please share this video. Um, I'm going to do more research on it. I hope that this isn't something that's going to be sweeping across the nation, making it harder for people to fight debt collectors on appeal. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different. So you can see my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website, your3scores.com. Grab all three reports, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. If you have debt collectors coming after you for debt, make sure you grab my 3-pack of letters. We can stop this before it gets to going to court. If you have a summons to go to court, make sure that you at least put up an affirmative defense. I can show you how to do that. Link is below this video. Please like this video. Please share, post your comments. I want to hear your opinion on this information that has just been brought forward to me.